Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects millions of people around the world: how to detox from alcohol. Whether you're struggling with alcohol dependence or simply want to give your body a break, understanding the process of detoxification is crucial. Understanding alcohol detox. First things first, what exactly is alcohol detox? Detoxification from alcohol involves clearing the body of its toxic effects and breaking the physical dependence on alcohol. This process can be challenging, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Alcohol affects various organs in the body, primarily the liver and brain. Prolonged alcohol consumption can lead to serious health issues, which is why detoxification is essential for anyone looking to break free from its grip. Preparation for detox. Before beginning any detox program, it's essential to prepare your body and mind. This starts with nourishing your body with wholesome foods and staying hydrated. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and water into your diet to support the detox process. Additionally, consider reaching out to a healthcare professional or support group for guidance and encouragement throughout your detox journey. Having a support system in place can make all the difference. Implementing the detox plan. Now that you're prepared, let's discuss how to implement your detox plan. Start by gradually reducing your alcohol intake to minimize withdrawal symptoms. It's crucial to listen to your body and seek medical attention if withdrawal symptoms become severe. Alongside reducing alcohol consumption, incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine to manage stress and promote overall well-being. Remember, detoxification isn't just about abstaining from alcohol. It's about nurturing your body and mind. Post-Detox Care. Congratulations! You've completed your detox journey. But the work doesn't stop here. It's essential to continue prioritizing your health and well-being post-detox. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to support your body's natural detoxification processes and improve overall health. Additionally, focus on maintaining a balanced diet and staying connected with your support system to prevent relapse. Additional tips: stay mindful and reflective. Throughout your alcohol detox journey, practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Take time each day to check in with yourself, acknowledge your emotions, and celebrate your progress. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and maintaining perspective during challenging times. By staying present and aware of your thoughts and feelings, you'll develop a deeper understanding of yourself and cultivate resilience for the journey ahead. Seek professional help when needed. Detoxing from alcohol can be physically and emotionally demanding, especially for those with severe alcohol dependence. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling to manage withdrawal symptoms or maintain sobriety. Medical detox programs offer supervised care and access to medications that can alleviate discomfort and reduce the risk of complications. Additionally, therapy and counseling provide invaluable support in addressing underlying issues and developing healthy coping mechanisms for long-term recovery. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness, and it can make all the difference in your journey towards a healthier, alcohol-free life. Thank you for joining us today as we explored how to detox from alcohol. Remember, detoxification is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and self-care. By prioritizing your health and seeking support when needed, you can reclaim control of your life and embark on a path to sobriety. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong. Goodbye.